Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today I'm showing you guys how to play The Scientist by the awesome Coldplay. Cool. Let's start with putting a capo on 5th fret, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we don't have any bar chords, so that's good. Alright, so the first chord in this song is an A minor shape. So we got, the song is an A minor or C major, same thing. The first finger B, second finger D, and third finger G. An F major 7. So that's going to be 3 on the A, pinky 3, 2 on G, and 1 on B. To C major, first finger, second finger, third finger. And now we got an interesting chord after this. We got to lift up the middle finger and play open. Sounds like a G almost, but it's not. It's a C with an add 2 to it. Interesting chord. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, F major 7, C major, and add, lift up your middle finger. Doing downstrokes for now. So this is just like all the verses, including the intro. Chorus, we're going to go back to F. To C. Lift up your finger. Back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, da, da. This time we're going to actually go to G. Another chorus, we go to G, second finger, third finger, pinky, and end that chorus with a G7. So from the G, you move down, pinky to first fret. And then we have the pre-chorus, the pre-verse, C, instrumental there. There's the second verse. Now, I know it's longer, but let's go hit the chorus. That's F, C, G. C, G7. composition and easy and fun to play. Alright, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more songs like always. Be safe. I'll see you soon.